Hey y'all, Marcy here. I just want to pop on real quick because I was sitting here writing an inventory of my dekdesigns kits. So I just know what I have, what sizes I have, and then all the icon or script kits. I'm barely halfway through. I went out to check my mail and voila! I got another dekdesigns Happy Mail. And this one's cute. This is different than the other ones that I shared. This one has like a little Valentine. It has the Boo Bear hugs and Happy Mail kisses. Smile, your Happy Mail has arrived. And I didn't even know it was coming today because I didn't check my tracking. I went to Waco for my granddaughter's birthday. It's her second birthday. So I was gone today and had a wonderful day. And here it is. It's getting better and better. So I just want to pop this open and see what's inside with you. You can join me in popping the envelope. Silly me, I popped it right out with my invoice right there on top. So I removed that, and here, let's take the rest. Oh, you know what? This is so pretty. I love this. It's like a white ivory little bow on a clip. I love these clips. I love, love, love. Donna's so gracious to give the freebies that, she creates and shares with each of your orders. So I love that. I'll be using it, especially coming up with, winter. That'll be perfect as a winter bookmark. But back to our findings. This says January of 2022, and it is this is a foil freebie. If you put your PR girl in the add notes to seller, you get an extra foiled sheet. This is a freebie sheet that comes to you if you remember to add in notes to seller, the PR code. So this one is it's silver. Happy New Year 2022 cupcake. Lots of leaves, some fireworks, firecrackers, a little popper, stars, and there's even a holly, a little silver foil holly bow, some hot cocoa, a gift, and a bell. And then this is, these are additions. This is not a kit. I can't remember what this was. These are additions that I ordered. When you order from the Color Club, in the Color Club section, you can order pages a la carte. You don't have to order the whole kit. And so, because I go to these neutral and blush colors, I ordered this. It has some extra scallop pages, some gorgeous icons, little day off banners, the work computer, trash, fold your clothes, fuel up, errands. This is all about my life right here. Some coffee, all about my coffee life right here. Laundry and adorable deco. And Coffee Monday, as I've mentioned before, on Monday or any other day, I don't have a cup of coffee. I have a pot of coffee. That's just me. God bless. Okay, and then I had to have another of these. This is Amazon delivery, because I try to write those in my planner so that I know what days I ordered what, because I order too often and forget what I ordered on what days. And then when I'm expecting it. So I had to add another one of those. And again, some more planner icon deco. These are the holiday gray, green, white, and red for holiday planning. You just mark those on the days you're doing your planner. And then some black blush or pink, some brown and teal. So I love the things I love so much. I've placed a reorder because I know I'll use them. And I recently came up with some plans to redate a planner. So that's what this is about. These icons, scallops, and these date headers are for redating a planner. And I'll share with you what I've got going in that as I get it going. But there's enough in here for a month. You have your Monday through Sunday, and you can put them in order, any order you like. Sunday through Saturday, if you wish. And then 1 through 31 on the date dots. So I have this one, color coordinates here in my redating a planner plan. And then this one is, real quick. This is the Color Club. The color is Grateful. This is from the Color Club a la carte, and the color is Peachy. Again, a beautiful icon decor and the date headers, day of the week headers, and the dates 1 to 31. So that is going to get me going on my new plan and new focus to redate a planner, and I'll be sharing that with you very soon. Thank you for spending your precious moments with me on this Monday afternoon. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.